Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mirror an image in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu where we have the projects. From here we just select one that we want to work on. Then select the clip that we want to edit, the clip or the image. Then in the bottom row, we scroll to the right, and here we find transform. We tap on this, and then we tap on mirror in the bottom row. And then the picture is going to be mirrored like this. We can switch between the versions. And yeah, it's actually just that simple. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.